Hi there. Welcome to a new video. And if you were kind enough to watch my last video, you saw at the end that I was able to drive off into the sunset after having put a lot of work into getting it usable, really. And I had a lot of fun making that video, and I got some good feedback. And there's a lot I want to talk about before I get into showing the first couple of clips that I had made sort of as a prequel. So the feedback that I do want to talk about is feedback that I first gave myself after watching the video, but I also got the same feedback from other people, and that was basically that the last video, my first video, was too long. And I think I got attached to my footage, and I got a little lost in the editing process. But that's okay, because it's a learning experience, and this one will be shorter. Okay, take 7 or 8 or 9, I don't know. Hopefully I'll be able to do it right this time. My goal for 2019 was to just get a video up to start the channel and get things going, because I had spent way too long thinking about it and then practicing, and that's where this prequel is coming from. My 2 practice videos, I'm gonna weave them together, and then that'll be the rest of this video. What I want to do with this channel is kind of mimic a lot of the content that I've been seeing, or mostly that I've been choosing to watch, because I find it very helpful. And so I'm just going to give, I guess, a little bit of an insight into my story, my life, my struggles, my goals, my challenges, my successes, my failures. There will be a lot of those. And I'm going to try and just keep improving this every single time I put out a new video. So that's that. And without any further ado, because I hate that saying, I have to say it, enjoy the prequel. Hey, so I bought a trailer a little while ago. This is what it looks like. And as you can see, it's broken. Today, I've decided to fix it. So here's what happened. When I bought it, the studs right here, they were all broken. There aren't any in that one. And what I've been trying to do is to put new studs in. So I went and I bought these. They don't fit. And I know this because I went to see someone with a press and we maxed it out. Not happening. So I went to the junkyard and I bought a bunch of these. They come from a car. They're too small. And I'm tired of trying all kinds of things and spending money while doing it, because these brake drums, they're like 95 bucks. So what I'm gonna do, this is the one that's too small, and I'm gonna weld it. A couple people helped me out with this project. Chris Paul helped me out because actually his boss used to own this trailer, so thank you, Chris, for helping me out with that, setting that all up. Also want to thank Phil Moreland. Thank you for your time. Thank you for trying to get these studs in with your press. Let's get to welding. Before I start, check out this setup. My brother made this table, made this stool, and made this rack out of a shopping cart. Let's get to work. Okay, let's see what it looks like. So here it is. It has been, let's say 17 years since I learned how to weld. And I never welded anything this thick. And that looks terrible. So I think that's going to be it for this video. Want to keep it short. Going to be doing more work. So I'll make more videos. Hi, here I am again, taking advantage of what is probably the most beautiful day outside and beautiful -17 weather. Work on my trailer again. Let me show you a little bit of where I left off and what I'm trying to do next. These here, bald and deflated tires. Now, the reason I'm into this mess, I gotta get these guys on. They're a lot newer. So what happened is that the guy who owned this thing before I did, he wanted to change them, and that didn't work out. But tried to get this done on Monday. Turns out everybody was trying to get some tires changed on Monday, so that's gonna have to wait. But I did get to doing a little bit of something else. I'll show you that too. This here hinge was broken, and then tried my best to weld it back together. It's solid. Doesn't look great, but it's solid. Does the job. I like it. So as you can see on this side of the trailer, we have a nice little fender, I guess we'll call it. And on the other side, I'll take a quick walk around. No fender. Here it is, in all its glory. It's time to get this thing on. Well, that worked out well enough. Ran into a bit of a problem, and the main problem is that the screws I used are a little bit too short. So managed to get 4 in. It's on there. So probably pick up a few more screws, get that done, and then I'll be closer to getting this thing out of here. It's taking up a lot of room, and if anybody out there knows of a way that I can get my tires changed much faster, let me know, because the sooner the better, and then I can show you what else I'm working on. So anyways, that's going to pretty much be it for today. Kind of feel like it was a little bit rushed, but it's progress. Progress is progress. So see you next time. Bye. It's done, isn't it? Well, I hope you liked it. I know I liked my 2 practice videos a whole lot more than I liked my last video. So so that's that. And if you liked it, please leave a like. And if you'd like to see more videos like this, then go ahead and hit that subscribe button. And I will honestly appreciate every last single bit of feedback that I can get, because I just want to keep making this better and to get better at this, and hopefully be entertaining. So that's a wrap, and I hope I'll see you again in the next video. Bye.